Unlock the full power of your CIBC debit card and simplify your everyday spending with this essential guide. First, making purchases is a breeze at most retailers. Simply insert your CIBC debit card into the terminal, follow the on-screen prompts to select your account, usually checking or savings, and then enter your 4-digit PIN. Ensure your PIN is secure and never share it with anyone for contactless payments. Look for the contactless payment symbol. You can simply tap your card on the terminal for purchases below a certain amount, often without needing your PIN. Need cash? Your CIBC debit card is your key to a vast network of ATMs. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and select withdrawal. You can choose the amount and then select your checking or savings account. ATMs also offer other convenient services like checking your account balance, depositing checks or cash, or even transferring funds between your CIBC accounts. Maximize your card's functionality by managing your finances online. Log into CIBC Online Banking or use the CIBC mobile app to view your transaction history, check balances, set up transfers, and even temporarily lock your card if it's misplaced. Security is paramount. Your CIBC debit card is protected by advanced chip technology and your unique PIN. Always be aware of your surroundings when using ATMs. And if you suspect any fraudulent activity, contact CIBC immediately to protect your account. With these simple steps, you can confidently use your CIBC debit card for all your financial needs, from daily purchases to remote banking.